Greetings from San Diego and beautiful Shelter Island, home of San Diego's best-kept secret, the Bay Club Hotel and Marina. Our scenic waterfront location is conveniently close to the airport, the Gaslamp Quarter, SeaWorld, the world-famous San Diego Zoo, Balboa Park, the Convention Center, and local beaches. As our guest, you'll be delighted with our waterfront location, nautical decor, the quarterdeck restaurant and bar, and our friendly, devoted staff. The Bay Club Hotel is the only hotel on Shelter Island offering convenient, secure underground parking. Come join us for a relaxing breakfast overlooking our sailboat-filled marina, a business or casual lunch, happy hour Monday through Friday, or a delicious dinner. Outside dining is available with panoramic views of San Diego Bay and the historic Point Loma. Grab a drink and enjoy our fire table with friends or that special someone. All of our 105 guest rooms and suites are non-smoking and offer patios or balconies with breathtaking views of San Diego Bay, our private marina, and picturesque Point Loma. You'll enjoy our 42-inch plasma HD TVs with free HBO and the Disney Channel. As our guest, you'll receive a complimentary USA Today, free morning coffee in the lobby, and free Wi-Fi service. Take a dip in our heated outdoor pool or relax in our hot tub, both with fantastic views. The Bay Club Hotel is perfect for small meetings and banquets. With our intimate atmosphere, it's a breeze making your group our #1 priority. We're great for any special occasion for up to 60 people. Book your Bay Club adventure today. Call 619-224-8888 for reservations.